we've deliberately focused on how to get the most out of students. We have an academic method with 3 components, which is basically focusing on how to memorize things really effectively. Memorization is important because if you don't know the information, you haven't got the vocabulary of the subject. And facts are very important because they're the vocabulary of understanding. But we have to teach people how to do this effectively. So we've got a lot of time for the good stuff, the fun stuff, which is learning by doing, learning by creating, learning through doing experiments, through working with teams, group projects, and those sorts of things. So we have a deliberate focus on an academic approach which is going to be tuned in to developing these particular characteristics.
One of the biggest challenges that Chinese students face is being asked questions to which they don't already know the answer. They're accustomed to having developed learning and then being asked questions where it's a repetition of what they've already learned. And a critical skill is learning how to use that knowledge that you've already gained in unfamiliar ways. And it's asking them questions that we know they don't know the answer to, which is critical. And sometimes asking them questions where we know nobody yet has the answer. And that's getting them to think, that's getting them to develop their skills. And the processes that we're working on enable them to do those in better ways than they would find anywhere else.